Hello everyone, today I will tell you about EVS lesson plan topic being our neighborhood service. First of all, you will write your name, pupil teacher name, like for example Princey. Then you have to write subject, class, topic, duration, date and then school name. Then comes to your journal objective. First one is to gain a variety of experiences and acquire a basic understanding of environment is physical, biological, social and cultural aspects life rather than theoretical. And then second one is to train children to acquire awareness of the environment and it is called allied problems. Then third one is environmental learning will be provides an opportunity for children to explore, investigate and develop an understanding of the natural, human, social and cultural dimension of the local and wider environments. The nature of this subject is process based and therefore emphasis will placed on development of skills. Then comes to your main objective. First one is students will identify the neighborhood services. Second one is students will learn in what way neighborhood services help us. Then third one is students will learn that neighborhood services helpers are useful in our life. Then comes teaching aids, in which you need to write about material you use while teaching your students like blackboard, chart paper, chalk, duster, etc. Then comes previous knowledge, in which you will ask some topic related question to students to check how much students are aware with the topic. Like I teach students, I am a teacher. Then second one is children learn to read and write in a dash school. Then problematic question is what is neighborhood. Then the next is announcement of the topic. It is very important for you to announce the topic, like today we will study about the neighborhood services. Then comes representation, which also said to be presentation. In this, first you need to write about teaching aids, whatever you use. Then pupil teacher activity. In this you need to write how you gonna teach your students. Then students activity. Under this you will write about students behavior, whether they were responding to your question, paying attention or not. For example, while showing picture of hospital, pupil teacher will show the pictures of hospital and tell about the neighborhood services. When a person falls ill, he goes to the hospital. An ill person is treated and given medicine there. A seriously ill person can be admitted in a hospital. Students listen carefully. Then second one is while showing picture of bank, pupil teacher tell the students we keep our money safe in the bank. The bank gives interest on our money and also provides loan to the needy people. Bank also have ATMs from which we can withdraw at any time by using our ATM cards. Students listen carefully. Then third one is while showing picture of post office, pupil teacher tell the students we need to send letters and parcels. It provides us the service of sending letters and parcels to them. We can also buy letters and stamp from the post office. It also helps us to send money to the other people through money order. Students listen carefully. Then fourth one is while showing picture of police station, pupil teacher tell the students a police station is a place from where police execute their work. The police protect life and property of the citizens. It also catches the thieves and robbers. It maintains law and order. Students listen carefully. Then while showing picture of fire station, pupil teacher tell the students when there occurs a fire in a building, the firefighters come in a fire engine and put out the fire. A fire engine is a vehicle fitted with water sprays and hoses. Then while showing picture of school, Pupil teacher tell the students the school is an important place. Children go to school to learn many things. They learn how to read, write, sing and dance. They also learn good manners there. Students listen carefully. Then, while showing picture of petrol pump, pupil teacher tell the students we can buy petrol and diesel at a petrol pump. Petrol and diesel are sold by the liter. A petrol pump also provides other services such as air for the tires. Students listen carefully. Then comes recapitalization. In this, you will have to ask some question related to the topic you taught to check whether students understood or not. First question is, who provides loan to the needy people? Second one is, what do you mean by market? Then third, what is a fire engine? Then comes worksheet. You will give homework to students in this so that students can receive whether you taught. Where will you go for the following things or services? First question is, to buy petrol and diesel dash petrol pump, to report about theft police station, to deposit your money bank, to buy letters and stamp dash. If you want video on any topic, let me know in the comment section.
Thank you.